everyone and welcome, my name is Rambo and wait, just wait a second, okay? Just wait a second. Okay, we're good. Stop painting and let's begin. The title of this video is We Deserve Extinction. The one with the cat. I found something online. After watching this, you will not be the same person. And you will be thinking like me. We deserve extinction. Okay, first case. God, I moved. That's one. My brain. One of the greatest inventions of all time. Ladies, gentlemen, are you a moron? Are you an incredible creepy person? Are you considering yourself not some casual moron? Not some usual asshole? Not an ordinary stupid? If that's it, well, I have the product for you. Take a look at this.
Have you ever wanted to lick your cat? Now you can, without the fur balls. Introducing Licky Brush. Cats groom each other as a form of social bonding. As a human, you're left out of this intimate ritual. With Licky Brush,
Don't.
you can now lick your cat.
The fuck are you doing, man? What's wrong with this music? There's nothing cute. What the fuck are you doing, man? What the fuck? You're like 30 years old like me. What else those arts? Wait. Oh. My eyes. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh my eyes. Can I have more bleach, please? Take a look at this. What's wrong with these people? Look at this hair. Look at this cat. What the fuck? Mom. Yeah, it's me. Look, I love you, but I really wanna die. Okay, thanks for all. Yeah, bye mom, bye. I mean, what the fuck? You might think this is a joke? This is some kind of Halloween jokes? No! This is an actual product. It's on Kickstarter, and if you watch the page, oh my god, they set a goal of $36,500 and they reach more than 50,000. How many people fucked up there is in this fucking world? How many people in this fucking world is fucked in the head? Jesus of a goddamn Christ.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Okay, with a pledge of $15, you can have one Licky Brush. That's how it's called. Licky Brush. A first line shipping, because you know that shit right away, you don't want to waste time. And invite to be on Licky Wall of Fame webpage. So fucking weird. And it goes on, the chance to be part of the change in the cat grooming landscape. I don't even. Can I have the bleach I'm waiting for, please? I'm thirsty. I wanna drink it. Okay. Tonight is for the cat. So move on, please. Let's. okay, at first, for me, this was like, you know, the bottom. You cannot reach a lower layer of shit. But as it is for so much in this world, it gets south so fast and so with so much awkwardness that you really wanna peels off your fucking face and throw it away like a frisbee because oh my god. Oh my god. This one it's a news I read from Tech Insider. It is quite a good blog or whatever it is, a site on Facebook, but you can find it as well on YouTube. I will link in the description. This is so fucked up, and I know there are people who wanna buy this shit and wear it all day, not at home, not at a party, not in their bed, every single fucking day of their life, because they are so fucked up. I'm not telling they're mean or they are bad or they are dangerous. There is worse people on earth, but Jesus Christ, how trauma you have in your mind, how fucked up you are. Okay, watch it, please, just watch it with me, okay? And please play. Fuck. What am I doing with my life? Mom, yeah, it's still me. No, I'm not dead. Look, what the fuck am I doing with my life? Can you tell me? No. The Twitchy Kitty electronic tail. Look at it! Wax autonomously. Okay, that's kind of okay cosplayer, but he's not a cosplayer. What the fuck is doing? With ears. Oh my god! That's him again! Jesus Christ! Oh, fucking hell, I knew it! I knew it! This is kind of, you know, Illuminati stuff. I mean, there's a bigger picture. That is fucking insane! That is so fucking insane! Jesus Christ! Look! What the fuck is doing with that dog? Oh my god! 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 More bleach, please!
It's time to stop!
Okay, now you might think, okay, that's something for a goof, nobody would buy this shit, maybe some kind of cosplayer, but that's it. Cannot exist someone so weird. Someone wanna be a cat. And that's where you fucking wrong. Take a look at this, please. Take a look. Hold on to your freaking chair. Hold on. And play.
A woman in Norway believes she belongs to a different breed. She claims that she is a cat trapped in a human's body.
Okay. See my point? See my fucking point? I know they are called gender something. There are people who believe they are dragon, they are monkeys, they are well, cats. But they are not. I mean, my brain.
Ser du dyr og sånn ute i mørket, mus og sånn? Ja, har løpt veldig ofte etter dyr som viser seg i skygger og sånt.
The 20-year-old, who goes by Nano, shared her unique story in an interview published on a Norwegian YouTube channel.
Jeg Nano, 20 år. Jeg har vært katt hele livet. Jeg fant ut at jeg var katt når jeg var 16 år, da leger og psykologer fant ut hva
There was a thing with me?
She says doctors found a genetic defect in her DNA, which she claims proves she is indeed a cat.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, sometimes the reality might hurt. But here's the thing. I got asthma. I'm allergic to fucking things there are on this planet. It means I'm a fucking alien. Jesus Christ, these people. I'm not angry to them because they are bad. They are living in a freaking virtual reality. I can't believe it. I can't. And these people vote. You're worried if you're American that you have to decide between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. I mean, a nice guy with beautiful hair and the son of Satan. Or a beautiful woman with strange hair and the son of Satan. Or Satan and Satan. And there are people even in your country and they believe they are cats. Now tell me why you should revoke his right to vote.
Hva skjedde nå?
Det en hund der sånn.
Du er født sånn?
Ja, jeg født sånn.
Født i feil art?
Født i feil art.
To compensate for her entirely human-like appearance, she wears cat ears, a fake fluffy tail, and crawls around on all fours.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Even though her psychologist told her she can grow out of it, Nano says she plans to...
Okay. Her psychologist said she can grow out of it. Like it's a phase. She's 20 years old. What the fuck? It's a phase. It's like when you're 12, you're not quite good to decide in which team you wanna stay. You know, man, female, cats, mice, toaster, stars, Donald Trump, Hillary, PewDiePie, Jesus Christ, ISIS. What the fuck?
Live as a cat for the rest of her life. Be sure to watch Inside Edition.
Meow. Okay, that's all I want to show you today, because in a tiny fraction, in a small part, let's admit it, we deserve extinction. And that's it. As always, keep calm and keep on rambling, and see you soon.